Do you think most of these Chinese e-commerce players are stories that investors can buy on dips?
Yes, actually, if you look at the e-commerce sector, we all have a question in the beginning of last year when we first saw the COVID pandemic start to happen in China there. And we asked that whether this strong growth of e-commerce is a one-off, that's, people being locked down and they just do online shopping and to a lesser extent, other online services they have been enjoying a lot. But with the we open up, or now this year we are talking about the vaccine, the economy is gradually recovering, whether the e-commerce will start to slow down because of the high base. But so overall, we do see the growth is more a structural phenomenon. We see actually a lot of people in China, they got used to those, online experience, and which is likely to continue. So overall, we do not see a lot of slowdown or momentum in this space. And actually, on the other hand, we see the industry is getting more interesting. We see lots of small to mid-cap names other than Alibaba being the bigger one also start to perform a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, one of those names is Pinduoduo. I don't know whether there's a catch-up in store there, given the performance that we've seen on that platform, or rather by that platform in the markets. I do want to get in your thoughts on the fintech side of things, with the Ant Group's IPO. Well, many question marks being raised on whether or not it will come back to the markets. What's your sense on valuations here?
Okay. I think definitely the Ant Financial or the recent investigation into the monopoly activities in China definitely raised some concern from the investor. But in my view, there are lots of innovation in China's online space. Internet companies are very innovative, but at the same time, the regulation or the risk control side of things will definitely catch up. So it is a very natural phenomenon to me. But actually, from my angle, because we look at company or share price at a very long-term structural angle, we still think the share price will be determined by the earnings growth. So on the online e-commerce space, it's basically the growth in the e-commerce. So as long as this growth is continue, I still think the share price will definitely go growing in line with this trend. But talking about the smaller name like the Pinduoduo you just mentioned, during the call of Alibaba yesterday night, they also mentioned that they will invest a lot to explore the potential in those third tier or the fourth tier city. I must say China is big, so there are very different growth area or pockets for those companies to benefit from. So I think the e-commerce growth is not only limited to the first tier city, but it's actually everywhere.